Good morning everyone from here in Philippines. We are here in my hometown province in Barili. Here. So beautiful. Beautiful view. A nice place. Yes. Beautiful rising sun this morning. Yeah. This morning so beautiful. Rising sun and beautiful weather. This morning, August 2, 2026, we are here in my hometown province in Barili, Cebu, Philippines. Here. Oh, kari sa una.
Kamsay to na dago yung upirit no?
Naapa man siguro?
Naan pa. Pila to intran? Mahala po intran.
10 pesos.
10? Di na lang tangang
I love you, Barili. I love you, Barili, my hometown province, Barili, Cebu, Philippines. So nice, a beautiful place here. Okay. Okay guys, next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Florencia Bargamento Ferrer official channel, in my YouTube channel, and my Facebook, Florencia Ferrer. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Next video again. I love you all. Okay. Langga mak. Langga day piki. Oh.
Oy, ako, oy.
Okay, next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I love you all. Okay.